Hey guys, welcome back to 90 Seconds with Chris. Today we're going to talk about cash flow statement. What is a cash flow statement? One of three financial statements that tell an investor the difference between the amount of money that came into a business versus the amount of cash that went out of a business during a specific period of time, typically a 3-month period called a quarter. Think of this like a bathtub with water in it, where the water represents the cash balance a company currently has. The tap represents the amount of cash coming into the business, and the drain represents the amount of money leaving the business at a specific period of time. After some time, if the water level drops, we call this a net cash outflow. But if the water level in the bathtub increases, we call that a net cash inflow. The cash flow statement tells you exactly how much money a company has in its bank account. Unlike a balance sheet or income statement where they estimate the prices of certain assets, cash is not estimated. The cash flow statement tells you exact numbers. Back to the bakery example, where I needed $10,000 to start up, but I only had $2,000. As a result, I had to raise the difference of $8,000 through issuing stock and bond. I raised $4,000 to selling stocks, and the other $4,000 I borrowed from bondholders at a 10% interest rate and a 10-year maturity date. After raising this money, we used $3,500 to buy bakery equipment like oven, refrigerator, and mixers, and then we keep the remaining $6,500 in cash. This cash is said to be the company's cash balance, just like the water level in the bathtub example. Fast forward one quarter, and we've made $2,700 in profit. Look back to my income statement video to see how we made this profit. But anyways, at the end of this period, our cash balance is now the $6,500 we had before this period, plus the cash of $2,700 we just made, which is a total of $9,200. Since this amount of cash increased from $6,500 to $9,200, it's said that the bakery has a net positive cash inflow. That's it for the video, guys. See you guys in the next one.